In this 5-minute analysis, I'm going to compare the regions targeted by two different Illumina capture kits that are available from the company's website. One is called this Rapid Capture Exome kit, and the other is an expanded Rapid Capture kit. So I've started myself with a few lines of code here as a head start, and the rest I'm going to do live coding. I'm starting with the rtracklayer package here to import these two bed files as GRanges objects and specifying that they are HG19 genome coordinates. And then I'm loading the GenomicRanges package, which I'm going to use to check overlapping regions. For this, I'm going to use the count overlaps function to compare and expanded GR. This is going to give me for each range in rapid GR the number of ranges that it overlaps with by any amount in expanded GR. So I see that these are mostly zeros and ones, but in fact some overlap with 2, 3, and even 1 overlaps with 6 ranges in the expanded set. So I'm going to explore that one in a little bit more detail and start by selecting this one range that matches to 6, and then also subset my expanded set of ranges to those that overlap with this single one from the rapid set. So taking a look now, here's that one range from the rapid kit, and in the expanded here are the 6 ranges that it overlapped with. So what's going on there? I'm just going to pretty quickly here use the UCSC genome browser to take a look at these ranges and compare them in a browser session. This is a function coming from rtracklayer that makes it very easy to open up GRanges objects in the UCSC genome browser. I'm going to open up a default session and then add 2 tracks to it. One I'll call rapid, and then I'll add my expanded range as another track. I'm going to go ahead and then open up my browser view and specify as a range the rapid GR and this times 0.75 will just zoom me out a little bit. And I'm going to ignore this warning message as long as I see that the browser view in the end worked. So here's what I have. Okay, and I can see my expanded kit and my rapid range here together. And here are the 5 different ranges, or sorry, 6 in the expanded kit, and what I can see is it differs from the rapid kit in a couple of ways. First of all, it extends all the way out to the ends of the UTR of this RTL1 gene, and second of all, it has these gaps in it, which I can see here correspond to non-coding microRNAs that are on the opposite strand as the RTL1 gene. So very quickly I was able to get to the bottom of the differences between these two kits for this RTL1 gene and understand a bit about the differences and strategies used in these two kits.